But studies tell you three surprising things about negotiation. 1. More than 50% of people aren't comfortable, and 40% aren't confident when negotiating. 2. More than 50% of business opportunities result in no decision. 3. Deals can lose up to 40% of their value over time. Do you connect with any of these pain points? Hello, I'm J.A. Zuge, Managing Director of NSI. The book Outliers introduced the concept that 10,000 hours of practice is required to master something. Later studies looked at violin training to better understand this concept. What did they find? 6,000 hours of practice is the actual threshold where talent kicks in as the differentiator. Not everyone can become a master or an expert, but you can create a lot of value being competent or really good at anything. For example, after accumulating 6,000 hours of negotiation practice. What does this mean for you and I? Commit to staying curious and getting better with each negotiation. Put in the time to prepare and follow a repeatable process. That's the science piece of it. Nothing in negotiation is absolute or guaranteed, right? Rules of thumb and hard work put the odds in your favor. Test your playbook. Simulate executing your strategy. Experiment with your options. If it doesn't go well, that's still great news. Why? Remind yourself that you learn a lot from experiments that go wrong. Achieving extraordinary results requires you to differentiate from your competition. But after watching this video, you'll probably decide to do nothing, like 98% of people considering an online purchase, and that's okay. But imagine accelerating your development to become more comfortable, confident, and effective when negotiating by learning and using NSI's step-by-step process, best practices, and lessons learned. All of these forged and stress tested by hundreds of complex B2B negotiations that delivered more than $1 billion of savings. Spend a little time now to take the on-demand course for a lifetime of payback. Click yes, get started now, and let's go.